So do you also run Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create Zoho CRM lead, Brevo contact and add to Google Sheets from Facebook lead ad. So as a business owner, I run Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business. And here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically that lead detail should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. And after that, automatically a new lead should be created in my Zoho CRM account and a new contact in my Brevo account should be created for the same lead. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with my Google Sheets, Zoho CRM and Brevo account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll guide you through automating your lead management by integrating Facebook lead ads with Zoho CRM, Brevo and Google Sheets. So this setup ensures that every lead generated from your Facebook campaigns is automatically captured in Zoho CRM for immediate follow-up and added to Brevo for targeted email marketing and logged in Google Sheets for easy tracking and analysis. So by the end of this tutorial, you will have a streamlined system that saves time and enhances your marketing efforts. Okay, so as you all know that as a business owner, I am using Facebook lead ads to attract potential customers, and now managing incoming leads efficiently is crucial. So by automatically creating a lead in Zoho CRM and adding a contact in Brevo that is formerly Send in Blue and recording the information in Google Sheets for each new Facebook lead, I can streamline my lead management process. So this automation ensures that every lead is promptly captured in my CRM for immediate follow-up and added to my email marketing list for nurturing and logged in a spreadsheet for easy tracking and analysis. So this integrated approach saves me time, reduces manual data entry errors and helps me convert more leads into satisfied customers. Okay, so here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ads with my Google Sheets, Zoho CRM and Brevo. And now here in this video, we are going to see the working of this automation to understand this entire process more clearly. Okay, so now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad by using a lead ads testing tool by Meta. Okay, so here on my screen, you can see lead ads testing tool and this is my form. And here I'm going to submit this form with some details to see the working of this automation. So here you can see I've selected the service interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email, phone number and the company name. Okay, so here I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead over here. Okay, so now let's go and check our Google Sheets first. And here you can see we have successfully added a new detail over here where we have added the lead's name as demo user, lead's email address, here you can see the phone number, service interested, best time to contact and the company name. Okay, so this was about the Google Sheets. Now let's go and check our Zoho CRM to see whether a new lead is created or not. So here you can see in my Zoho CRM account under leads, we have successfully created a new lead with the name demo user and the email as demo000@pabblydudes.com. Okay, so this was about Zoho CRM. Now let's go and check our Brevo account. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact over here with the name demo user. Here you can see the phone number, first name and the last name. Okay, so this was all about the working of this automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this entire automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ads with your Google Sheets, Zoho CRM and Brevo using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And Brevo using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen, you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/china/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Zoho CRM lead Brevo contact and add to Google Sheets from Facebook lead ads. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now here moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's make that automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. So here in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instance, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. And I'm going to select my desired account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we got easily connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account. Okay, so now moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you my Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the page I'm going to select my page which is named as Digital Dynamics. So this is my Facebook page. And then here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here to get this lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. And here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see all the forms that I've created over here. And here you can create your own lead ad form as per your need. So in this particular case, I'm going to use a form which is named as new form. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my form as new form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Okay, so now you have to selecting my page and the lead gen form. I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here after clicking on the save and send test request, you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. Okay, so now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is my lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here to generate a new lead, I need to delete my previous lead because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. Okay, so now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead. And you can see it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here in my lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page which is named as Digital Dynamics and my form as new form. And now here to generate a new test lead, I'm going to click on this preview form given over here. Okay, so this is my form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the service, I'm going to select SEO. Here for the best time, I'm going to select evening, and here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test000@pabblytools.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter random phone number. And here for the company name, I'm going to enter the company name as JKL Company. And then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the service interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email, phone number, company name and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to add the details in my Google Sheets first. So here to add the details in my Google Sheets, I need to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So here in my Google Sheets action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a new row. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically all the lead details are going to be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Okay, so now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So I have already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Facebook Leads. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my sheet as Facebook Leads. And then here it is asking me to select the sheet. So I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1. And then here it is asking for the lead's name, email, phone number, service interested, best time to contact and the company name. So these are the fields that I've entered in my Google Sheets. So now here moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map my lead's name. So I'm going to select first name first, then I'm going to enter a space and then I'm going to map the last name. So this is my lead's name, and here for the email, I'm going to map my lead's email. Here I'm going to map the lead's phone number. Here I'm going to map the service interested. Here I'm going to map the best time to contact. And lastly, here I'm going to map the company name of my lead. Okay, so with this, I've successfully entered all the required details. And now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully added a new detail where we have added the lead's name, email, phone number, service interested, best time to contact and the company name. Okay, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now here after adding the details in my Google Sheets, I want to use the details and create a new lead in my Zoho CRM account as well. So for that, I need to connect my Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect by simply adding an action step over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Zoho CRM. So Zoho CRM is a customer relationship management tool that helps businesses manage their interactions with current and potential customers. So here in my Zoho CRM action step, I'm going to select my action event as insert or update a record. So that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically a new lead is also going to be created in my Zoho CRM account. Okay, so now here to connect my Zoho CRM with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Zoho CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho CRM. And here to connect the application, it is asking me to enter the domain name. So it says enter the domain your Zoho account belongs to from below. So here to get this domain, let me take you to my Zoho CRM account. And here you can see my domain name is zoho.com. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, here I'm going to copy this domain name from here. Then I'm going to paste it over here. And now I'm going to click on this save. And then here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the module name. So here in this particular field, I need to select the module name where I want to add the detail. It could be home, it could be leads, contacts, accounts, deals, task, meeting, call, or reports. So here I want to create a new lead in my Zoho CRM. So for that, here in my Pabbly's workflow, I'm going to select my module as leads only. And now here after selecting my module name, here for the layout it is going to be standard only. And now here it is asking for the pipeline name, duplicate check fields and some other details. So here these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave all of them blank. And here for the I'm going to map my leads company name first. So this is my leads company name. Here for the first name I'm going to map my leads first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. Moving forward, here this designation is not a required field, so I'm going to ignore it. Here for the email, I'm going to enter my leads email. Here I'm going to map my leads phone number. Moving forward, again these fields are not a required fields, so here I'm going to leave all of them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. Here for the lead source, I'm going to select advertisement. Moving forward, here for the lead status, I'm going to select contact in future. Here this industry is not required field, so again here I'm going to leave it blank. And now here it is asking me for some other details as well. So again these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave all of them blank. Okay, so now you have to enter all the required details. I'm going to click on the save and send this request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new lead in our Zoho CRM for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ad. Okay, so now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new lead over here with the lead name, company name and the email address. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Okay, so now here after creating a lead in a Zoho CRM account, I want to also create a contact in my Brevo account for the same lead received through our Facebook lead ads. So for that, I'm going to click on this add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Brevo. So Brevo, formerly Send in Blue, is a marketing platform that helps businesses with email marketing, automation and customer communication. So in my Brevo action step, I'm going to select my action event as create or update a contact, so that after creating a new lead in my Zoho CRM account, automatically my Facebook lead is also going to be created as a contact in my Brevo account. Okay, so now here to connect my Brevo with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Brevo account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the domain and the API key. So here for the domain, let me take you to my Brevo account. And here in my Brevo account's path URL, you can see my domain is brevo.com. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm not going to change this domain because my domain is brevo.com only. So here it is going to remain the same. And then here is asking for the API key. So here I'm going to follow the instructions given below. Let me take you to my Brevo account. And from here, I'm going to click on this top right corner. Now here under this connect, I'm going to select SMTP and API option. And from here, I'm going to select API keys. And now here you can see all the existing API keys. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this generate a new API key. And then here I'm going to give a name to my key, that is new lead. And then I'm going to generate it. So this is my API key. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to paste the API key. Now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the email address. So again, here I'm going to map my lead's email address. So this is my lead's email address. Moving forward, and then here it is asking for, do you want to use the email blacklisted? So for that, I'm going to select true. Do you want to use the SMS blacklisted? True. Scrolling a little down. Here for the list, I'm going to select my list as new leads over here. Moving forward. And then here it is asking for the update enable. So for that, I'm going to select true. And then here it is asking for the SMTP blacklist sender. So here this field is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add the detail, then you can do it as per your need. Here for the last name, I'm going to map my lead's last name. Here I'm going to map my lead's first name. Moving forward. Again, these fields are not a required field. So here I'm going to leave all of them blank. And now here for the WhatsApp, I'm going to map my lead's phone number. Moving forward. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send this request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Brevo account for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ads. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name test user. Here you can see the phone number, first name and the last name. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets, Zoho CRM and Brevo. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically all the lead details are going to be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. And after that, using the details, a new lead is going to be created in our Zoho CRM account and a new contact is also going to be created in our Brevo account for the same lead. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create Zoho CRM lead, Brevo contact and add to Google Sheets from Facebook lead ads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.